Welcome back to our final 11 Labs workshop lesson 20. Now that the audiobook is laid out, you must listen to the AI to determine how each chapter sounds. Select the first chapter and then click on Continuous Narration. You'll be able to tell if the AI voice is reading your copy properly. What you'll need to do is to place your cursor within the narration copy, and you'll then need to click the play or narration button.
Introduction. In the ever-evolving landscape of life and business, success often hinges on our ability to adapt and grow. But change, whether personal or professional, is seldom a straightforward path. It's here that frameworks come into play.
And you will already notice we probably need to make an adjustment. So what we're going to do is to make a slight adjustment and then start the process again.
Introduction. In the ever-evolving landscape of life and business, success often hinges on our ability to adapt and grow, but change, whether personal or professional, is seldom a straightforward path. It's here that frameworks come into play, offering us the structure and guidance necessary to navigate the complexities of transformation. A framework, in its essence, is a set of principles or a system of ideas that provides a methodical approach to solving problems. It's the scaffolding that supports the construction of strategies and the blueprint that directs action towards a defined goal. For consultants and coaches, frameworks are indispensable tools. They are the lenses through which challenges are identified and through which change is not only envisioned, but systematically achieved. This series seeks to explore two pivotal frameworks that have reshaped the thinking around change and progress. The immunity to change approach, developed by Robert Keegan and Lisa Laskow-Leahy, and the theory of constraints, TOC, a process improvement system conceptualized by Dr. Eliyahu M. Goldratt. These frameworks, though distinct in their methodologies, both aim to uncover the underlying mechanisms that impede growth and provide actionable steps to overcome them.
So now you will go through the same process with each chapter to make sure it is being narrated according to the way you want it to sound. Once that process is complete, you'll continue with the conversion process. Once complete, you will need to select Convert, and you can convert individual chapters or the entire project. For the sake of this video, we're just going to convert one chapter. What is particularly helpful is the indication of the total credit usage and how this impacts your overall credit. We're going to select Convert, and we're going to open our download. So as you can see, we now have a download file for our first chapter, and obviously you're going to need to go through the entire process for your entire audiobook. 11 labs can be used chapter by chapter with long documents in order to create an entire volume to be uploaded to your audiobook facility. If you found the basic workshop valuable for getting started, our comprehensive masterclass will take you deeper into professional voice creation, AI voice compliance and regulations, advanced marketing strategies, and monetization techniques. Head on over to incommonhumans.com for more free masterclasses.